this is Jaswinder from Shinfen IELTS. In my previous video, I discussed about true false not given in reading module, and in today's video, I will do by applying those strategies in front of you. For true false not given or yes no not given, first of all you have to be very alert. You have to keep an eagle's eye on that. So answer should be in given order. If it is yes no not given, then should be in yes no not given. If it's true false not given, then it is in true false not given. So never write YN NG or 2TF NG. So you should have to write the full form. So for this, we do have 4 questions here. First, as I told you in my previous video, that we have to part our sentence into 3 portions. It says only 2 Japanese pagodas have collapsed in 1400 years. So 3 keywords are only 2 Japanese pagodas collapsed 1400 years. And here is very good keyword 1400. So we have to scan this in the passage, and it's in the 3rd line. It says past 1400 years full stop. So we should have to read it from the starting. Record show that only 2 have collapsed during the past 1400 years. So this passage is about pagodas. So there is only 2. Yes, it is there. Only 2 have collapsed is also there, and 1400 years, that is also there. And all the 3 keywords are there. Answer, no doubt, it is yes. Got it? Second is the Hanshin earthquake of 1995 destroyed the pagodas at the Toji temple. Keywords are Hanshin earthquake, 1995 Toji pagoda. Let's scan 1995. It is the disastrous Hanshin earthquake in 1995 killed 6,400 people, toppled elevated highways, flattened office blocks, and devastated the port area of Kobe. So here is Hanshin earthquake is there, 1995 is there, and it says the pagoda at the Toji temple. But here it is killed 6,400 people, toppled elevated highways, flattened office blocks, and devastated the port area of Kobe. It's not pagoda, it's the port area. So answer is contradictory. We are getting 2 keywords, that is Hanshin earthquake, 1995. Toji temple is also there, but it's not talking about pagoda, it is about the port area. So answer it goes false. Wherever we get 75% of the statement and 25% is there, but it says something else, means contradictory statement, and answer it's always no or false. Third says the other buildings near the Toji pagoda had been built in the last 30 years. Our keywords are other buildings near Toji pagoda last 30 years. And let's scan that up. 30 years. In second passage, it says it was only 30 years ago that the building industry felt confident enough to erect office blocks of steel and reinforced concrete that had more than a dozen floors. Full stop. Here they are talking about, 30 years is there, but they are talking about the building material, right? So once again, it was only 30 years that the building industry felt confident enough to erect office blocks of steel and reinforced concrete that had more than a dozen floors, full stop. So they are not talking about other buildings built, they are just talking about material. So answer is not given. We get 30 years, Toji Pagoda is there, but it's not about building, it's about material. So answer is not given. Fourth question says, the builders of the pagoda knew how to absorb some of the power produced by severe weather conditions. Our keywords are builders, power produced by severe weather conditions. So here, let's scan that up. Yes. It says Toji Pagoda soaring 55 meters into the sky, nearly half as high as the Kasumbaseki skyscraper built some 11 centuries later. Clearly, Japanese carpenters of the day knew a few tricks about allowing a building to sway and settle itself rather than fight nature's forces. Full stop. It says builders of pagoda, it is with carpenters, then it is absorb some of the power produced, it is few tricks, and by severe weather conditions it is nature's forces, right? So all the three keywords, they are there, and answer it goes yes. This is how to do your yes, no, not given or true, false, not given. So never go for the second thought. If you do so, then always confusion is there. Sometimes it seems it's there, sometimes it's not there. So attempt it with the strategies I told you. Thank you.